Easter is more than a holiday. It's a story, a legacy passed through generations. It's the warmth of family, the elegance of tradition, the joy of renewal, a time of togetherness, reflection, and grace. Laughter fills the air, memories are made, and hearts are full. A reminder that beauty is in the details and the moments we create. So let's bring that spirit to life and design stunning Easter creations together. In today's video, we'll be creating trending Easter designs you can sell. You'll also get a sneak peek at my new AI prompt vault. Let's dive in. Okay, today we're using the print-on-demand design assistant to create Easter designs. I want to start by researching trending designs for Easter 2025. I'll click on the Generate Trending Pod Designs command, which will search the web and provide details on what's popular. These results are great, but I need to narrow it down to Easter-specific designs. My target audience is women creative entrepreneurs, and I want to create designs that also appeal to their customers. So I'll refine my search to unique Easter watercolor designs for women creative entrepreneurs and their customers. This includes designs for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and more. Here are some ideas that the GPT has provided: elegant floral Easter eggs, boho bunnies, baby chicks, boss babe, and hand-painted Easter tea party themes. I'm really drawn to the feminine boss babe Easter concept, so I'll focus on that. I'll tailor these designs to cater to African American women. Here are a design concepts it has come up with for this theme: Melanin Queen, Bunny Boss, Laptop Bunny, and Easter Goals Sassy Bunny with Coffee and Confidence, Extra Fly Shopping, Bunny Easter Bunny CEO Vision Board. I'm really feeling concept number 3, Sassy Bunny with Coffee and Confidence, so I'll start with that. I'll create a watercolor design for each of the 2 quotes I've chosen. Let's see how it turns out. Wow, these designs are really cute. I love how they turned out. Now I'll send each prompt to my Airtable, making sure they include the matching prompt template and a 5-star rating. Once confirmed, I'll check Airtable to ensure everything's been added correctly. Okay, the GPT states the data has been sent. Let's go check Airtable. As you can see, the images, full prompt descriptions, square orientation, prompt template, design type, and ratings have all been added. I've also been working on building out a mini AI prompt vault for Easter designs. So far, I've created 9 prompts, and my goal is to have 15. I'll continue adding 6 more to complete the pack. Once we're done, I'll give you a detailed tour of the vault and how it's organized. Let's hop back in and finish these designs. Want instant access to these AI prompts and images? Grab the mini AI prompt vault. It's a fully organized Airtable you can copy into your own workspace. Click the link below to get your copy and start creating high-quality AI images you can sell instantly. Okay, let's go with concept number 2. This time, we'll skip the quotes and just focus on the concept. Now I'll ask it to create 2 different designs. Looks like the prompt is being rejected. Ah! It's because of the MacBook reference. I'll ask it to remove the word. That's really cute. Booked and bossy is a bit off with the word book, but it's still adorable. Both turned out great. I'll ask it to create it again, this time in landscape. Okay, it didn't turn out perfectly, but it's still cute. The second one looked like it's created what it would look like on a planner, which is great, but not what I need. I asked it to remove the elements, and then we'll see if it can be sent to Airtable. This is much better because you can take it to Canva and crop the middle part. Both designs are good, but I prefer the first one. Okay, I'm asking it to send the prompts. Let's confirm. The GPT states the data has been sent over, 5 stars for the first design and 4 stars for the second one. Next, let's do concept number 4, Extra Fly Shopping Bunny. I'll simplify it by removing extra words and focusing on the bunny holding multiple shopping bags. We'll stick with one quote idea. Extra fly, extra rich. Let's make sure it's in watercolor with a white background. It created a design for us. Not bad, but not 5 stars. Let's try a different font and make the bunny brown. Okay, I like this one better. Let's send it to Airtable and ensure the prompt template has at least 2 to 3 fill-in detail options. Great. The data has been sent. Let's continue. Let's create one more unique design concept, focusing on eggs that cater to creative entrepreneurs and their customers. We'll go with eggs of creativity, and the quote, "Every egg is a new possibility." Let's see what it comes up with. That's not bad, but I'm not feeling the brown brush. Let's ask for another design. This one is cute. Let's send it. Okay, it's sent. Now let's do something more elegant. I don't like that one. How about a basket filled with colorful eggs in pastel watercolor with Boss Babe vibes, but without explicitly saying Boss Babe? That's cute. I love it. Let's send this one. It's sent over. Let's do one more design, sticking with eggs in a basket but with a different concept. This one isn't bad, but the image is cut off. Let's redo it with more watercolor elements. That's much better. Let's send it in landscape to avoid cutting off the design. Give it a 4-star rating and ensure it has 2 to 3 fill-in template options. It's sent over, and I believe that's everything. Let's hop over to Airtable and review the final images. Here's the AI prompt vault with all the designs. We have the eggs we designed in the GPT, and images created for the library are super cute. Let's click inside one of these to get more details. Here it shows the full prompt. You can screenshot this one. And here is the sample image. Let's check out another one. Feel free to screenshot this prompt as well. Super adorable image. And there you have it. This Easter edition prompt vault is complete. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new AI tutorial. See you in the next one.